Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to add Google Translate directly into your iPhone keyboard using Gboard. This lets you translate while typing in any app. Let's get started. First, open App Store on your iPhone. In bottom right corner, you will see search. Tap on that. Type Gboard. This is Google's keyboard that includes Google Translate. Tap Download and tap. When Gboard opens for the first time, it will ask you to set it up. Tap Get Started. Follow the steps it shows on screen. Now go to home button or swipe up to go back to your iPhone. Open setting app, scroll down and tap on general. Tap keyboard, tap keyboards, add new keyboard, Gboard. Find Gboard in the list and tap it. Now open any app where you can start typing like Messenger, WhatsApp or Note. Press and hold the global icon on the keyboard from the list chosen. Choose Gboard. On Gboard, tap Google icon, the big G on the left side. Gboard will automatically translate your text into the language you selected. You can send the translated text instantly without switching app. If you want the normal keyboard again, press and hold the global icon and choose regular iPhone keyboard. That's it. That's all for today's video, guys. If you found this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in next one.